Happy New Year!
Hello, my dear students. As we welcome the Lunar New Year, I wish you and your families health, happiness, and success. May this year bring you great achievements in your studies and all your goals. Keep working hard and believing in yourselves. You can do amazing things. Chúc mừng năm mới. Happy New Year!
Hello students, my name is Teacher Lindell. It's been an incredible year and your English learning journey has grown from strength to strength. You should be very proud of yourselves because I am. I've watched you grow and excel and I'm so proud of you. On behalf of myself and the team at Espace, we would like to wish you a very happy new year with many wonderful blessings, a healthy and prosperous year this year for you. Travel safely and may the new year be everything that you wish and more. I look forward to hearing all about your holidays when you return. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye.
Hello, because we're gonna step into a new year. So today, I wanna wish you happiness, health, and success in your own journeys. May this year bring you countless opportunity to learn, grow, and achieve your dreams. Stay curious, work hard, and believe in yourself. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! May this special season bring you all and your loved ones peace, joy, love, and happiness. As we welcome the new year, let's embrace the new beginnings, continue to grow in our learning journey together. Thank you for your hard work and dedication, and wishing you all a year filled with success and joy. Again,
the year has flown by and a new exciting chapter awaits us. As we step into 2025, I wish you all good health, endless happiness, and incredible academic success. May this year bring you the courage to keep learning and improving. Keep that determination, and I hope you achieve all your goals in 2025.
Hello to my dear students and friends from Espace. This is Teacher Jackie and wishing your 10th holiday to be warm, joyful, blessed, and successful in achieving your goals this year. Happy New Year to you and to your family, and enjoy your holiday.
Hi, this is Teacher Terry, and I'd like to greet you a Happy New Year, Chúc mừng năm mới, and I wish you all the best for this 2025, and I wish to see you more in my class. Let's learn more of English lessons. And by the way, to all my students out there, I wish you all the happiness, more success, good health, wealth, and more adventure.
Chúc mừng năm mới! Wishing you a year full of happiness, success, and good health. Enjoy holidays with your family and may you achieve all your goals and continue to grow and shine in your studies.
Hello, as New Year is coming, I wish you keep on being successful and as fit as a fiddle, having plenty of joy and inspiration from all the people around you. Wish all your negativity will go away, just only good things remain. Last but not least, I hope that everything you do this year will be as smooth as a snake. Happy New Year!
Hello everyone, this is Teacher Rav and Chúc mừng năm mới, Happy New Year! I hope this set brings you joy, prosperity, and good fortune. May the year ahead be filled with exciting adventures, new beginnings, and unforgettable memories. I also hope you make progress in your English studies this year. Have a happy and prosperous day.
Hi everyone! Wishing you a new year filled with love, laughter, and so much luck. Happy Lunar New Year!
Hi everyone, my name is Teacher JN and I am wishing you a joyful and meaningful that holiday. Enjoy this special time together with your loved ones and celebrate your achievements. Prepare for the new opportunities in the year ahead.
Cheers to a bright and a prosperous new year. Happy New Year, everyone!